Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this couple of the bicycle repair kit. If you have the tube or the inner tube for your bicycle that needs to patch it up, and I also got a couple of the repair kit for the cars or SUV or Jeep or any of the radial tires. So yeah, anyway, let's go and then unbox this. As you can see, I got this out of Walmart. And this video is not sponsored by this company. I purchased with my own money. So yeah, let's go and then open this up and see what we got. Hopefully the invoice is not in here. So I'm not sure if they ship all my orders or not, so let's go ahead and check it out. So I got two of this slime tire repair plugs, and this is a bulk pack of 30 tire repair strings. Okay. So you can use for ATV, or if you have a lawnmower or trailer. And this is made in China. And this is the repair kit. This is a 7-piece kit. For the bike, there's one of the glue, one metal scuffer, 5 rubber patches. Got the cement glue right here. So if you have anything that has an inner tube, you could also use it for your ATV or lawnmower or your bicycle. And again, this is made in China. So this is the scuffer right here. Yeah, I think I'm missing one. It says 5. Huh. They come with different sizes. Never mind, it's right here. So yeah, just peel this off. So you need to scrape your inner tube, the one with the hole. Scratch it up first, depending on the size, and then apply the glue, and then peel this off, and then seal it together. But after that, you're gonna make sure you have a little bit of air, and then patch this on, and give it a little nice press on, so it can bond together. And this is the 14-piece tire valve stem repair kit. So this one is to remove the valve cord. Come with this nice case. Let's go and check it out. This is by Hyper Tough. So this one's to measure your air pressure. So this side is to reduce your air, okay, on your tire. And then come with the 4 plastic caps, and then 4 the metal one. And this is the tool right here to remove it. And then come with the 4 the stem valve. So to loosen up, you need to counter clockwise, and to tighten, you do it clockwise. And then I got this, got 2 other kit right here. This is a deluxe tire plug kit. Let me open it up for you guys to check it out. Holy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come with 5 of these long strips. And then 3 of the shorter one. And you need to drill the hole first if you got a nail or screw. And then make sure you punch in and out, and turn around, try to roughen out the hole, get all the debris out. And then you're gonna push this through this hole right here. Insert this. And make sure it's right in the center. And then you're gonna add some glue. And then you punch it through the hole. And this thing's gonna fall like a halfway. Make sure you don't insert all the way, or it's not gonna help to seal the hole. So I'll probably insert about this much. Okay? And then you're gonna push out. So there's a gap right here. Once you pull it out, it's not focusing. There's a gap right here. Once you pull it out, it's gonna come out pull out from the strip, and that will seal your hole together. Okay? So yeah, this one is pretty good design. It has a nice grip. The one I have is almost like a screwdriver handle, which is not good. It tends to hurt my hand. So this one is a nice grip with this handle. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, peace.